You don't need La Mer money to have main character skin. If your skincare wishlist looks like a Sephora receipt but your budget says drugstore only, this one's for you. Today, I'm spilling the tea on luxury skincare products that everyone's obsessed with, and they're cheap dupes that work just as good for a fraction of the price. Let's save that coin and still serve flawless skin. Number 1. Drunk Elephant C-Firma Serum, $78. Dupe, the Inkey List 15% Vitamin C plus EGF, $15. Drunk Elephant's Vitamin C Serum is a cult fave for brightening and evening out skin tone. But for $78? Yikes. The Inkey List version gives you the same glow up with 15% pure vitamin C. And it's literally $15. Same results, less drama. You can grab it at Sephora or online. Number 2. La Mer Crème de la Mer, $200 plus. Dupe, Nivea Crème Blue Tin, $7. La Mer is fancy, thick, and rich, just like your dream bank account. But Nivea Crème, basically her drugstore twin. It has similar moisturizing ingredients, and people swear it gives the same plump, hydrated skin for under $10. Find it at Walmart, Amazon, literally everywhere. Number 3. Tatcha the Water Cream, $72. Dupe, e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream, $12. Tatcha gives that lightweight, bougie glow, but e.l.f. came in and said, hold my peptide. It's super hydrating, has similar ingredients, and leaves your skin just as dewy without the $72 guilt. You can find it at Target, Ulta, or e.l.f.'s website. Number 4. SK2 Facial Treatment Essence, $185. Dupe, Missha Time Revolution Essence, $25. SK2 is like the Birkin bag of essences, but Missha is the perfect budget-friendly sister. Same fermented ingredients, similar results. Glass skin without the glass ceiling. Find it online at YesStyle, Amazon, or your fave K-beauty shop. Number 5. Sunday Riley Good Jeans, $85. Dupe, The Ordinary Lactic Acid 10% plus HA, $9. Good Jeans is a glow-up in a bottle, but so is The Ordinary's Lactic Acid Serum. Same exfoliating power, smoother texture, brighter skin. Only difference? One is $85, the other is $9. You decide. Both are at Sephora, Ulta, or online. So yeah, don't let anyone tell you you need to be rich for good skin. These dupes? Affordable, accessible, effective. Skincare queens on a budget rise. Tried any of these? Got your own fave dupes? Drop them in the comments and let's help each other glow without going broke. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your bestie who's still out here paying $200 for moisturizer. See ya in the next one, Glow Gang.